Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hide elapsed time on Strava. In Strava, you cannot fully remove or hide or elapsed time completely, but you can control who is able to see it depending on your privacy settings. First, just go ahead and open Strava app, and then just go to the activity where you want to change the settings. Just go to you and go to activities at the top. And now let's say I want to hide the elapsed time from this indoor run. So I'll just select it just like so. And now here, as this is just for tutorial purpose, just follow my steps and you'll be good to go. Click on the three dot at the top right and click on Edit Activity. And now you scroll down and you will see a visibility. Just go ahead and click on the drop down. And you can either set it to only you or followers. If you want to hide your activity details from the public, just go ahead and select only you. And now just click on Save Activity. And now it becomes private. Once you select this, your elapsed time will no longer be visible to people outside of your chosen privacy level. If you want more control, you can also review the activity details and reduce what it's shown in public view, but Strava does not allow you to completely remove elapsed time from the system. So the simple rule is you cannot fully hide elapsed time in Strava, but privacy settings lets you control who can see it. And that's it. We just learned how to hide elapsed time on Strava by using privacy control and adjusting activity visibility settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack V tutorial video.